Alright guys, Cleo and I just made it to our campsite and now we're headed to the Riverwalk in San Antonio.
You are my shining light, guiding me through the night, and now I can see again.
Alright, Cleo and I just made it to the Riverwalk in San Antonio. Cleo, sit down. Say hi. There's a lot of people here, so Cleo's having a little anxiety. We won't be here long. But I just want to show you guys. It's very beautiful. That's the sun right there. So Cleo and I are leaving the Riverwalk. It's so beautiful here. All the lights and everything is coming on now that it's nighttime or the sun's going down. But I did not factor in how many people would be here and how that would affect Cleo, so she kind of got anxiety, and she did a good job though. Like, she was mindful, and but there were ducks, and then there were boats, and then there were people, and then there's a super small crosswalk that you have to walk on. So it was just a lot going on at once, and I didn't even take it into consideration. So once I picked up on the fact that she got really anxious, not really anxious, it was just a lot going on. And I know my dog when she's like, so we got the hell up out of there. And now we're about to go back to our campsite. I also, ring me alarm. I've been through this too long, but I'll be damned if I see another chick on your arm. Don't you ring me alarm. I've been through this too long, but I'll be damned if I... So we're headed back to the campsite, and yeah, I'm gonna get Cleo together, let her eat her food. She has a Kong, peanut butter. I don't really think I'm hungry tonight, but I also don't want to drive like in the dark. Got my trusty glasses. Have y'all ever seen me with my glasses on before? Hold on. Yeah, I can't see at night. It's a lot going on right here in front of me, and I have no idea, but I'm about to show y'all. It's a lot going on in these San Antonio streets. Hi, princess. Aww. Smell the flowers. Aww, you're so in tune with nature, you princess. It is so beautiful and quiet and peaceful, and Cleo and I have just been enjoying being still, which we always do, but really intentionally being still, not having anything to do, anywhere to be, just allowing ourselves to be present in each moment that we're in. Even now, being present with y'all. And the weather is beautiful. I know I'm normally complaining about the weather, but let me tell y'all something. I'm a country girl. I'm from Houston, and it's always hot. And when it's cold, we complain about it being cold. When it's hot, we complain about it being hot. That's just what you gonna get, okay? But here, right now, it is 70 degrees. And the wind is blowing, and it feels really, really good. Maybe I can show y'all a little bit more of where I am. Hold on. We're gonna stay here so we can watch the sunset, and the campground isn't far. So we'll have to drive in the dark, but we aren't even like 5 minutes away, so we'll be okay. We're gonna stay here and watch the sunset. I feel like since the sun is coming from this way, this part of the canyon is gonna be lit up. I really want this mountain back here to be lit up, but I believe I would have to be on the other side of that mountain to watch it light up. Cleo, here. Okay, come on, let's go to your bed. Good. Wow, you did so good. You did so good listening to your mom here. Good girl. Good girl, you princess. You are so smart. You're such a good girl. Oh my gosh, Cleo, I can't even believe it. Good girl, you princess. It's okay. Okay, Cleo. No, ma'am. Here, let's get some water. Want some water? I know you do. It's hot out here. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying if you stay in the sun long enough, it's hot. Okay, so what you guys just witnessed was me redirecting Cleo. What's happening to my hair? Me redirecting Cleo because there was a car coming. And so she had, oh, look at the moon. She has this thing to where now she's excited about what is happening. Where she's excited about chasing cars. Even though she's never chased a car, I'm going to figure out what, there you go. Like, I'm going to figure out what piece of hair this is sticking up. And she hasn't chased a car, but I feel like if she had the opportunity to, she would. So I redirected her, which is Cleo here. And the second she hears that, she pretty much, for the most part, stops in her tracks and comes to me. That's her direction to come. And for the most part, she does it. And then I just walked her back to the van. See, like now there's another car coming, but look at her. Y'all see how focused she is right now? Because she hears the car. And it's coming. It's not down the street, but it's coming. It's probably coming across the river bend. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. All right, look at her while the car passes. That's the car. Look at her. So yeah, I have to like. One thing about traveling, not just with your dog, but traveling with Cleo, is I have to be mindful of all sounds, footsteps, people, kids, cars, animals, just because all of this is new to her. And because being in new environments every day, even though it's beautiful and she loves it, but it still breeds a sense of anxiety because you're in a new environment every day. It's something new, a different smell. There are people that you don't know every single day. There are environments that you don't know every single day. So I think that if that breeds anxiety just a little bit for humans, for an animal who is already in tune with everything in nature, it has to breed that type of anxiety too. So I don't know how she'll respond under certain types of anxiety in certain environments. So I just make sure I'm really, really mindful of that. And when people are around, I keep her on the leash because Cleo's, again, she's not friendly. So here, there are no people around, but there happens to be a road right here. And so I have to make sure she doesn't chase cars.
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.